It's not every day a home like this comes on the market. This stunning contemporary home, on a quiet street, that backs to the state park really has the perfect location. Check out the spacious open floor plan. This beautiful home has a wonderful, landscaped front yard, a fenced-in backyard, and like I said, backs to the state park. The main level has updated gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, KitchenAid dishwasher, maple cabinets, a double oven, and a double sink. Plus, there is also a large bar with a bar sink and a wine cooler. And be sure to check out the breakfast bar with the banquet seating, plus the large pantry and tons of Kraft Aid cabinet storage. And there is storage under the breakfast bar and banquettes. There is also room for a dining table and chairs, a large bar, with extra sink and so much more. The upper level has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. The master has a full bath, and sliding glass doors that open to the huge deck. A great place to relax and enjoy the nature of the state park. The lower level is a large open space with a half bath and a sliding glass door that opens to a large patio with an underdeck system to keep the patio dry.
The Homeowners Association includes access to swimming pools, tennis courts, walking paths, local open spaces and so much more. This neighborhood is close to shopping, restaurants and offices. The schools are within walking distance. It's a wonderful home, with many bonuses, and yet opportunities to add your personal touch. The seller has priced the home to sell, so stop on by. Look at the comps and then get excited about this spectacular contemporary home.